Team 3176 has been working hard to develop and test the EveryBot, along with working on the Impact Award and pneumatics and general wiring for the bot.
Recently I've been asked to go into the robotics meetings just so that I, solder stuff, but recently I've been learning how to use a button board and how to make a button board for the drive team.
Okay, I specialize in the part of electrical. I consider it the basics that are applied most specifically on the bot and covers most of what we teach during the off season. But apart from that, it's expected that I need to know a little bit about the other two, let's call them niches of electrical, which is pneumatics and Arduinos.
Probably getting to work on things that I am qualified to work on.
The best part of being on robotics would be kind of finding a community of like-minded people, as well as getting an opportunity to find out your own personal interests.
I think the best part about being on the robotics team is I don't get to do a lot of this kind of stuff at home. Generally when I do wiring, it's just to fix my guitar.
I'm so excited, I've never been to a competition before.
I feel like I didn't think that it was so soon. I thought it would have been at least a month out.
I'm pretty excited because it's a little bit, I think since it's our first district competition, it's a little bit earlier than it was the last season, but I'm also a little happy because some of the anticipation about how we perform dies down, but it's also a little exciting because we're supposed to have a different bot for our second district competition.
I joined the team because it's not like anything that I've ever done before. I like to do a lot of things, and I like to kind of experiment and branch out.
I joined the robotics team because I have a 3D printer at home and I've wanted to be able to make stuff with it beyond just like little sculptures, and also I knew a few of my friends were going to be on it.
I joined the team because I thought it'd be a good opportunity to meet like-minded people, to see if STEM was something I'd want to pursue in the future, and it also allowed me to narrow down on more specific niches, because for programs for younger kids like FLL, it is strictly like you get, it's not as detailed, obviously not as complex, but the way the robotics team breaks it down into design and fabrication, electrical programming, multimedia, and business. I like that I was able to choose something so specific and kind of refine that skill.